Problem number 9, star mark example from practice set 3.3 given on page number 73. The problem says, the statement of the problem is, if the 9th term of an AP is 0, then prove that 29th term is twice the 19th term. अगर किसी AP की 9th term 0 है तो आपको ये प्रूव करके बताने का है कि 29th term जो है वो 19th term के डबल रहेगी. ठीक है, लेट अस स्टार्ट. We know that for an AP Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1d. Therefore T9 will be equal to a plus 9 minus 1 into d, that is a plus 8d. So T9 is equal to a plus 8d. लेकिन T9 तो 0 दिया है, इसका मतलब a plus 8d कितना होगा? 0 होगा. So T9 is equal to 0, that means a plus 8d is equal to 0 using from 2. Okay, तो यहाँ ये वैल्यू डाल दो तो you'll get a plus 8d is equal to 0, interchanging the sides you get. We are giving this as equation number 3. Now again from equation number 1, let us calculate T19. T19 ही क्यों? क्योंकि 19th term और 29th term के बीच में रिलेशन प्रूव करना है. So T19 will be equal to a plus 19 minus 1 into d, that is a plus 18d. अब याद रखो मैं यहाँ थोड़ा सा एडजस्टमेंट कर रहा हूँ. 18d I am splitting as 8d plus 10d, a as it is written. But we know that a plus 8d is 0, so in place of a plus 8d we will write 0. So this will be equal to 10d. That means the 19th term is 10d. Now let us calculate 29th term. 29th term is equal to a plus 29 minus 1 into d. Again using the same formula, we can write from 1. Okay, from equation 1, you get the same 29th term. So this comes out to be a plus 28d, and 28d can be splitted as 8d plus 20d. जैसे मैंने यहाँ पर भी 8d अलग निकाल लिया था, I am doing the same thing here also. यहाँ भी मैंने 8d को अलग निकाल दिया. क्यों? Because I know the value of a plus 8d, it is 0. So in place of a plus 8d I am putting 0. 20d is written as it is. So the 29th term is 20d. यहाँ तो देख रहा है कि ये जो है ये 10d है और ये 20d है, तो 29th term जो है इसके डबल है. लेकिन how to express it? I have written 20d as 2 into 10d, और 10d क्या है? 19th term है, तो in place of 10d I have written 19th term from equation 4. So what did we reach to? That the 29th term is twice the 19th term, and that is what was expected in the example. So with this example we have completed, we have fully discussed practice set 3.3. First 2-3 examples are very ordinary. You can very easily solve using the solved example from the textbook also. So 3.3 is over. In the next lecture we will begin with the next exercise, that is 3.4.